Here are Sony E-mount lenses which can be mounted onto Sony Alpha series such as Alpha 7 III and professional camcorders such as FS5 Mark II and FS7 Mark II.
Before going to lens introduction, please let me explain what are the difference between shooting videos and shooting still images. When you shoot videos compared to still shooting, you have to be careful for focus breathing and optical axis shift while zooming, which often happens when you shoot videos with still lenses. In that matter, for video shooting, it is more preferred to use lenses designed for video. And Sony's E-mount lenses were designed for both still and video shooting. The lenses with Sony's original smooth motion optics design minimizes breathing, axis shift, and focus shift while ensuring smooth, quiet operation. And what I like to introduce here is the Sony's 28-135 f4G lens. This is a well-rounded lens, especially suited for professional camcorders like FS5 Mark II and its big brother FS7 Mark II. One of the advantages of this lens is that it has server zoom, which means these cameras can be used like broadcast cameras. Additionally, it is well optimized for minimal focus breathing and focus shift. You also don't have to care about focus while zooming in and out. This lens also has focus gears, so it can be used with a follow focus system for more professional use with the independent 3 rings: iris, zoom, and focus. Not only this lens, but Sony has a wide variety of lenses including zooms and primes. Here is 24-70mm G Master zoom lens. It is quite hefty, but it covers the most used focus range and the quality of the glass is superb. There is also 70-200mm G Master if you want to zoom in, and there are 16-35mm G Master if you want to go wide. These G Master lenses produces beautiful images and highly recommend if you want a quality glass, but yet need the convenience of zoom lenses. On the other hand, prime lenses are oftentimes more compact and it produces even sharper images. This is 35 and 50 and 85mm prime lenses. 50 lens is popular and well known as a standard focal length, great for a variety of situations. If you want wider look, then there is the 35. If you want a tighter lens, there is the 85. The advantages of using these Sony E-mount lenses opposing to other brands is that it is optimized for the autofocus system when mounted on the Sony Alpha series. Alpha cameras can be handy when used in tighter spaces or when you want to be discreet, and when you are in a situation where you just need to nail the focus automatically. In addition, Sony's E-mount lenses can be commonly used for FS series and Alpha series. If you already have Alpha and E-mount lenses, you can utilize it for FS series. And don't worry, if you have third-party lenses, a lens converter for E-mount lens enables you to use many third-party lenses.